welcome back. Today we are unboxing the brand new Jeffree Star Halloween mystery boxes for 2021. I'm super excited to dive into these boxes here. I have two versions for this video. I have the premium and I have the deluxe box. I did also get the supreme, so I also got this giant box over here. Oh god, they don't even all fit in the screen. So I did end up getting all three versions, but I decided I am splitting up the boxes into two different videos. It just makes it a little bit easier, I feel, for the length of the video, because I've done these in the past where it's in one video and it gets to be so long. So I feel like it's just going to be a little bit easier to shorten it down, put these two in this first video here, and then the second video I'll be unboxing the Supreme for you guys. That way the videos don't get to be too long, because there's so much product inside of these mystery boxes, and then it can just be a little overwhelming, I feel, with the amount. So I'll do my best to make sure that that video goes live very shortly after this video does. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to talk about these two boxes first. So the white box up here is the premium box. It was $65, but it is supposed to contain $126 worth in value, contain 6 items. And then this larger black box was the deluxe box. This one was $140. Oh my gosh, so expensive. You did have to choose a size for this one, and it is supposed to contain 10 different items with a value of $266. So, whoo, that price tag though, it gets me. I mean, even the Supreme, the one that I'm gonna unbox tomorrow, $200 just for that box alone. It's so expensive, these boxes, I feel. But we're gonna dive into it and see if these are truly gonna be worth it this time around. So, very excited. I'm definitely thinking we're gonna go from smallest to biggest, so we're gonna go with the premium first. This one actually, surprisingly this time, didn't have any tape securing it down. It's just loosey-goosey. Yeah, this is the premium. Oh, and also, before I forget, there is supposed to be an exclusive eyeshadow palette inside of all three versions of these mystery boxes, so you can guarantee there's gonna be a giveaway at the end of this video. Sneak peek. And I mean, I feel like we have to grab this right here. I already know what this is. This is the exclusive eyeshadow palette for the mystery box. You can tell by the tissue paper. Am I the only one who can't read that? I, for the life of me, seriously thought that this read well boo right now. But it's supposed to be Weirdo, because the eyeshadow palette's called Weirdo. It just looks interesting with that choice of font. Let's take a look at it. So the brand new Weirdo palette. You see Jeffree's face here in the front. And here's what she looks like. Move that. Let's swatch it out. There's 9 eyeshadows inside of this palette, and actually the majority are mattes. We get 8 matte shades, and only one is a very shimmery metallic shade, and that's gonna be that silver one right in there. I find this one to be really fun. I like the color scheme, and it honestly gives me a little bit of the blood sugar vibes, but with a little bit of a darker twist, because the blood sugar was very like red, not so dark. So this one gives you a little bit of a mix to do a little bit of a darker smoky eye kind of look. And then let's go ahead and move on. We're gonna grab another item. Oh, I think this is another exclusive. I can tell from the packaging, this is definitely new for this mystery box. This is their Supreme Gloss. And we have the little mystery symbol at the top there. So let's see what she is. Ooh, bright red it looks like. Yeah, so no shade name here, but it's a very bright, shiny red shade. And you get that kind of interesting doe foot applicator there. Well, you know what we gotta do. We gotta try this bad boy on. So let's wipe away my color and then plop her on. Gorgeous pigment from this lip gloss, super easy to cover and very shiny. Looks great. And it has a very nice scent to it too. It's one of those ones that comes with like a kind of sweet like sugar cookie scent. I don't know if it's that scent, but that's what it reminds me of. And I can't help myself, it looks like there's another exclusive here. We gotta grab this one. Looks like we got a new velour lip scrub. This one is called Witch's Brew. And I feel like we've gotta smell what this is supposed to be, because Witch's Brew, that could be anything. Ooh, fun dark packaging of it too. What color? Ooh, I was hoping it was gonna be green. That's black licorice. Oh, you're gonna think I'm insane, but I love black licorice. It's a very picky scent. Like, you either love it or you hate it, and I found that a very select few actually like black licorice, so I don't think I know anybody who would enjoy the scent like myself. I'm sorry, but it's the Swedish in me that loves the black licorice. So those were 3 exclusive products inside of just this box alone here. We got 3 more to go, but it looks like these are normal products. So let's go ahead and grab this one and see what we got. So it looks like we got a Velvet Trap lipstick in Gravedigger. Let's take a look at what she looks like. Ooh, and it looks like this one is gonna be a very gray shade. Let's test her out. And they describe this as a dirty gray shade. A fun shade, definitely kind of sticks to the theme of the Halloween box with the weirdo palette. The gray and the red lips so far definitely kind of goes with this palette here, so I see the theme. 2 more items though, let's grab this one. It looks like we have one of the velour lip liners now, and I should have grabbed this one first because I got the shade Deceased. I could have used this as a lip liner for that Velvet Trap lipstick. But here's what the Deceased lip liner swatches out like. And you know we have to try on that lip liner. Sorry, gray lipstick, you didn't get to stay for long. And Deceased they describe as a mauve brown shade. Very pretty, a little bit more wearable than that super dark gray one if you're not into that one. And then now the last item in the box here, aside from this pamphlet here at the bottom, which apparently is letting us know that Jeffree Star Skin is on the way. It says coming soon. But aside from that, last product. And it looks like it is a Supreme Frost in Frozen Peach. Which Frozen Peach is actually one of the shades that I already have, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave this one in the box, save that for the giveaway, and then I'll show you guys this guy. So here's a bit of a look at Frozen Peach. It is a very light, peachy, kind of gold, sparkly highlighter shade. This is one of the ones that has a little bit of micro glitter inside of it, but not a overwhelming amount. You just see a little bit of a hint of sparkle. But that was it now. That was officially our last product for the premium mystery box. It has all been unboxed here. So we got 6 items, 3 of which were exclusives, and then 3 kind of like regular ones from the normal line. So these are all the items, and I did do a quick value calculation here, and we do get the official $126 in value, so definitely really like to see that. No iffy, questionable products or anything like that, just straight up the value we're supposed to get. So definitely really good. I think we're gonna move into the second box, and then we'll kind of talk about both boxes, see which one my favorite was. So let's go ahead and grab the Deluxe here and find out what's in this guy. This one does have a little bit of tape, so I need to find something to slice that with. Hang on. Okay, this'll do. I have a pen. Just need to get into the tape, and it's not that much. You can use anything like a baby scissor. All right, we are sliced. Let's see what we got in here. I'm sorry, it must have been annoying. It looks like we got a little apparel right up top here. So let's go ahead and get started with this guy. And it looks like it is a t-shirt. So we got a purple Jeffree Star logo here in the front, up in the left-hand corner, and then on the back we got a giant Jeffree Star logo and this new kind of font with a spider web at the bottom. Very Halloween-y. But that was first item. Let's go back into the box, and I see something huge here that I have to grab. Oh man, so they gave us one of these giant blue-blooded lipstick bundles here. Gorgeous. But I already have this one. It's actually right behind me. So I can show you guys this one instead. because you guys know what that means. Since I now have 2 of them, 1 brand new one, I'm gonna be saving this one for a giveaway. But I'll show you guys mine so we can get an idea about this guy. So this is the Blue Blooded Mini Velour Liquid Lipstick Set. And it contains 8 different shades, all within that kind of like blue family here. So you get the shade Drug Lord, Ice Tray, Jawbreaker, Blue Velvet, Abused, Diamond, Titanic, and then lastly the shade Medusa. So some seriously pigmented velour liquid lipsticks there. Definitely one of the most out there lip bundles here with all of the blues in here, but it is one of those ones that you can definitely use for liners, which is a great way to use those ones. But definitely an awesome big item there, and it looks like we actually got something else that is pretty large here. I wonder what this one could be. Oh, okay. I was thinking we were maybe gonna get the other lip bundle, the red one, but we ended up getting the Blood Sugar palette here. So let me rewrap that up real quick because I already got one. Also behind me, so we'll take a look at my palette, the Blood Sugar. This eyeshadow palette has 18 shades, and we've got a lovely mix of mattes, metallics, foils, and some pressed pigments inside this palette. Some lovely shades in this palette. One of the more wearable, in my opinion, of the eyeshadow palettes that Jeffree has. But honestly, this is like the 6th time maybe that I've gotten the Blood Sugar palette. I know I'm crazy with getting all of the mystery boxes. I do it just for you guys to show you what's inside of them. But I've definitely received it quite a few times now. And then back into the box here, I see the exclusive Weirdo palette. So this one I am gonna be, again, setting aside for the giveaway. Oh, this is gonna be so fun for somebody to win. And since we already unboxed it and looked at it in the first box, we'll kind of keep it moving with this one. So I'll just immediately set that one aside. But not bad for our first 4 items there. And let's keep it going. Let's grab this giant thing. Oh, is this what I think it is? I see little bat things on the side. Oh, it is! Oh my god, it's so cute! I love it. Oh, it's the bat makeup bag. Oh my god, this is so fun! Pull out this little bubble. And actually thinking about it, let me double check. Yeah, okay, so this one might be an exclusive version for the mystery box here, because there is a bat makeup bag on Jeffree's website, but it is a different one. It has a clear kind of window. This one is just solid all the way around. So it seems like this one is an exclusive version for this mystery box, but that's what she looks like. We just get the one pocket with the zipper here. No other dividers on the inside, but she's adorable. I love the little bat design of this one. It is so cute. And then now it looks like we might have some makeup products in the box. So I'm gonna grab this guy next, which it looks like this is gonna be the same new velour lip scrub we got in the premium box. It is the Witch's Brew. So this is gonna be the same scent as the other guy, the very licoricey scent. I'll definitely have to kind of choose who I give this one to, since this is a very select kind of fragrance, I feel. But now let's take out the tissue paper, it's just in the way, and then let's grab this. And now we have the Velour Liquid Lipstick in Unicorn Blood. And I know for a fact I have this one. Hang on, where'd she go? I do indeed, I have the mini version here. So let me show you guys mine. Save that guy. And here's a quick swatch of Unicorn Blood, a very beautiful dark red shade. We have to try her on. Seriously, one of my all-time favorite lip colors here. Absolutely love the way this one looks. Stunning, in my opinion. All right, and then back to the box over here. We got 3 more products. And it looks like we now got the Glouse. This one is the shade 6 Feet Under. And this one's a part of the Cremated collection. You can tell by the packaging here. Oh, looks like a sparkly black shade. Looks like it's got like a black tint with lots of sparkles in it. I think I might want to test this one on top of this unicorn blood here and see kind of what she does. I definitely feel like this is probably how you want to use this lip gloss anyway, with a brighter, kind of darker shade underneath. So let's test it out. And they describe it as a sheer tint of luxurious black with a glisten of icy white sparkles. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous together. All right, and then it looks like we just got 2 more items inside our box. And I'm gonna grab this guy. This is now the Diet Shane Lip Balm. I've gotten this one in the mystery boxes in the past, and I'm gonna pop an image here of what she looks like. It's just a regular lip balm. There's no tint with this one. It's just supposed to be super hydrating and have a diet root beer scent. And since it doesn't really have a whole lot of color to it, it's not really much for me to swatch out, so I'm gonna leave it in its packaging. But now our final item in the box. And it looks like we got another pamphlet for that Jeffree Star Skin. They're plugging it. But our last item looks like it's gonna be another Velvet Trap lipstick in the shade Pure Hell. Ooh, I love it. It reminds me a lot of Weirdo. It's a very rich black shade. Let's do it. Let's try that on. Here we go. So there she is. I honestly love this shade. It is so fun, especially during this time of year. I mean, you gotta try wearing a black lip at least once in your life. You gotta do it. Take my word on it, just try it. You're gonna love it. But that was officially it, you guys, for the deluxe box here. We ended up getting all of the 10 items. Let me kind of squish it back in the box just so we can see it. Whoop. There we go. All of our items back in their box. And I did go ahead and double check their value here, and I was able to add everything up for $266, which is exactly what they said. So again, no real iffy prices here. I love that. The past couple of boxes, there has been that questionable, like, where are they getting these extra couple dollars from? But I love that we're seeing like the exact what it's supposed to be value here. So holy moly, we had a lot of product here in these 2 boxes. The deluxe was definitely stuffed with some really big ticket items. And the premium over here, I felt like honestly had a very good selection for makeup products with those 3 exclusives. So honestly, I think both of these were really good boxes. It just kind of depends a little bit more maybe what you have already gotten in your collection, what you're looking for when it comes down to choosing one of these boxes, because surprisingly they're still on the website, so if you wanted to grab one you still could, and now you kind of know what to expect with them. Oh, and before I forget, I'm thinking in this video there's gonna be 1 item for a giveaway. I'm gonna save some for future giveaways, and that is gonna be the Weirdo palette. So one of you guys could win this new exclusive eyeshadow palette. It's gonna be the same rules as always, so by now you guys should be pretty familiar with it. Just a couple of rules here. You gotta be subscribed to me on my YouTube channel, follow me over on my Instagram, and then leave me a comment down below with your Instagram handle, because Instagram is how I contact you. But yeah, that is gonna be it for today's unboxing of the premium and the deluxe version. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'll be getting up the Supreme very soon after this one, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that one. But if you liked today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!